Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Are you all excited to learn the next sound? Good job! So before going to learn the next sound, let's quickly recap the sounds which we have learned so far. Okay, so what is this sound? What is this letter? Yes, very good. What is this letter? Yes. Yes says good job. And then next what we have learnt? Next we have learnt the letter A. A says A. A. A says A. Very good. And then next what we learnt? The next sound we learned the letter T. T says T. T. T says T. T. The next sound of the letter we are going to learn today is the letter I. What is this letter? I. You know what is the sound of this letter? Okay, I'll teach you. The sound of the this letter I. I is E. Come on, all say with me. E. E. I says E. Come on, all try to do with me. I says E. Now, are you all ready to listen to the song for the letter I? Okay.
Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Inky's wet.
Have you all listened the song? Do you all like it? Yes. So now I'm going to teach you the action for the sound E. Okay. What do you have seen in the song? Inky the mouse, right? Yes. And mouse will have the whiskers. Yes or no? Yes. So that is the action for the sound E. Okay. I says E. E. Come on, all keep your hands like this. How the mouse will have the whiskers? The whiskers will be like this, right? Yeah. So that is the action for the letter I. Okay. I says E. E. Come on, all try to do with me. I says E. E. Very good. Now let's see some words which have E sounds. Okay, are you all ready? Okay. What is this picture? What is this picture? Yes, igloo. E. Igloo. Igloo. Okay. And this one? Yes, insects. E. Insects. Good job. And what is this one? Iguana. Come on, all say. E. Iguana. E. Iguana. Good job. And what is this one? E. Ink. E. Ink. Practice more words with E sounds. Okay? Now I'm going to show you how to form the letter I. Okay? Now come on, we all are going to use the index finger and we are going to trace it. Okay? So come on, all take your index finger, keep it here, and what we have to do? The first step we have to do is draw a sleeping line. Draw a sleeping line, and from the center you have to draw a standing line. Then again we have to draw one sleeping line. This makes the capital I. Shall we try one more time? Draw a sleeping line, and from the center draw one standing line. Then again we are going to draw one sleeping line, which makes the capital I. Now let's see how to form the small I. Okay. Again take your index finger. Start from here. Draw one small standing line. One small standing line. And then keep a dot. Easy, right? Shall we try one more time? Start from here. Draw a small standing line. And then dot. Okay, shall we try one more time? Sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line, which makes capital I. And start from here, a small standing line and a dot, which makes small I. Now let's see how to write the letter I using the dots. Okay, so start from here, draw one sleeping line. Join the two dots on the blue line and draw a sleeping line. And from the center, draw one standing line. Then again one sleeping line, which makes the capital I. Okay, come on, sleeping line. And from the center to the red line, one standing line. Then sleeping line. Shall we try one more time? A sleeping line. From the center till the red line, one standing line. Then again one sleeping line. Again one sleeping line. From the center, one standing line. Then sleeping line, which makes capital I. Now let's write the small I. For small I, we have to start from this middle, the between lines. Okay. So from here we have to start and draw one small standing line and a dot. Draw one small standing line and a dot. Shall we try? Draw one small standing line which joins these two lines and a dot. Come on, start from here. A small standing line and a dot. So this is how we have to practice the writing part. Okay. Now let's see how to blend the words. Okay. What is blending? Blending is nothing but say the sound of the letter and read the word. Okay. Blending is nothing but say the sound of the letter and read the word. Okay. So today we have two words. So now we are going to blend it. How we are going to blend it? We are going to say the sound of the letters and we are going to read the word. We all know the sound of the letter I, right? I says what? Today only we have learnt. What is that? I says E. I says what? E. T says T. T. I says E. T says T, which makes it. Okay? Eat. And by joining these two sounds, we will read it as what? It. Eat. It. Okay? Now let's try the next word. Let's say the sound of the letter. Yes says S. I says E. T says T. T. Okay, now come on, say one more time. S, E, T. What is that? Which makes sit. Okay? S, E, T. Sit. Okay? Shall we revise one more time? Eat it. Eat it. Eat sit. Eat sit. Very good. Okay, now let's quickly recap what we have learnt in today's class. Okay, so today what sound of the letter we have learnt? We have learnt the sound of the letter I, right? And what is the sound of the letter? I says E. E. Inky the mouse, right? E. E. Very good. And we have seen this song for the letter I, and we also have learned the action, right? And what else we have seen? Yes, we have seen the words which starts with E sound, right? And we have seen the formation of the letter I, and also we have seen how to write the letter I, right? Very good. And what else we have seen today? Yes, today we have seen the new topic, blending, right? What is blending? Blending is nothing but say the sound of the letter and read the word, okay? And we have seen two words, right? So practice the sound of the letter and practice more words with the sound E, okay? And don't forget to do the blending practice as well, okay? Stay tuned for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.